with Dominic Barbato of Schneider Electric. Welcome, Dominic.
Thank you.
This is quite a transformative time for the electric grid. Give us your view of how the last 5 years has played out and what the situation looks like on the ground.
Sure. So over the past 5 years, we've seen a significant increase in a lot of new technology, whether that's distributed energy resources, renewables, batteries. That's really fundamentally changing a lot of the ways that companies interface with the electric grid, becoming much more of producing consumers, or this concept of the prosumer, and taking a more active role in the electric grid today. We'd expect that to continue to play out over time as well.
Indeed. So Schneider has developed a framework for the decentralized energy future. I believe you call it Meshgrid.
Yes.
Describe it, please.
So Meshgrid is it's really about a meshing of the physical and virtual worlds. So the physical world of the energy grid with the virtual world of the way prosumers interact and connect with that grid. And we believe that over time, this concept of energy and assets are really coming together in an ecosystem we refer to as the mesh grid, which is creating a meshed environment where those companies and end users can interact.
Sure. We're seeing companies in the electric space sort of proceeding at different paces in terms of adapting to the future. What would you recommend would be the logical first step for a company to take that feels like it may be behind the curve?
A lot of companies struggle with strategy, candidly, at a high level. Oftentimes they believe that they have the right skills and the right people to be able to achieve success in the future, but sometimes they need to go back and really take a hard look at how they approach energy and sustainability from a strategic view, and really make sure that they have an integrated approach across their different departments within their organization to really gain the economies of scale that they hope to achieve.
Yeah, excellent. I want to ask you to speculate. Let's take a look at the future and tell me what the next 2 to 5 years looks like from where you sit.
Yeah, so we think over the next 2 to 5 years that there is going to be a massive increase in the number of connected assets that come into the grid. These are assets that can interact with the grid in a real-time fashion, and this is especially true as connectivity becomes ubiquitous. Small microprocessors and all sorts of different devices, the advent of 5G and better communications technology. So we really see that as creating stronger interconnection between end users and the assets that they have and the existing electric grid as we know it today.